Recently, I went for a walk around Roosevelt Square in downtown Gainesville. Well, on my walk, I happened to see Gainesville's newest art installation along the downtown Greenway. It's a visual celebration of our area's history with the ancient sport of dragon boat racing. It is super cool. Have you seen the dragon? It's huge. Next time you're downtown, don't forget to visit the dragon. During certain times of the day, he breathes fire, smoke, and roars. If you're on the square and facing Kodo, the dragon will be on your left. I can't wait to come back at night to see what it looks like lit up. My grandsons will think it's awesome.